Hello everyone. Uh, Today I will show you what is Aveva E3D. Aveva E3D is a high-end 3D modeling software used in industries like oil and gas, power, petrochemical and marine engineering for complex plant design and construction purpose. And this is the Aveva E3D screen, and in Aveva E3D we have different type of modules on which we can work. First one is the general. Under general module, everyone can work here. And next is equipment. Under equipment module, you can model any type of equipments for plant. Let's say these are the equipments will be modeled under equipment module. You can model equipments for mechanical, electrical, equipment, safety, and other types of equipments are to be modeled under equipment module. And next one is the piping one. In this module, only piping guys can work. And here you can model a piping which is connecting from one equipment to another equipment. The piping will be look like this. You can see here the piping is connected between one equipment to another one from pump to the tank to the vessel. So piping can be done under piping module. Next one is HVAC. Under HVAC module, you can model the ducting and ducting of your plant, and ducting will be look like these are the ductings will be look like, and you can model this ducting under HVAC module. Next one is the cabling system, and then the cable tray. You can model the electrical and instrument trays under the cable tray module, and the cable tray will be like these are the cable trays. You can model these type of cable trays under cable tray, and these cable tray are used for the instruments and electrical engineering. And next one is the structure. Under this module, you can model the structure for your plant, and structure engineers or designers have to work on this module. The structure will be look like this, and these type of structures you can create here under structure module. And next one is the supports. You can model the supports for piping, cable tray under support module here, and the supporting will be look like these type of the supports. And I will show you the piping which is connected to the supports. So these supports you can model under the support module in Aveva E3D. So these are the modules which are used in Aveva E3D for designing. Apart from this, you can extract the drawings. You click here, you can go to IsoDraft, and you can run the isometric under IsoDraft. And under draw module, you can generate the plant GAs, plot plans under the draw module. This is a basic Aveva E3D screen here. Uh, in equipments, you can see here you can create new equipments from here. And same way here, if you click on piping, you can create piping from here. This is a brief of Aveva E3D and what we can do in Aveva E3D under these modules. If you have any comments related to this Aveva E3D, please comment in the comment box. I will reply your comments. Thanks for watching.